Today we're going to take this little plastic cap gun and we're going to cast it out of aluminum and turn it into a gear shifter. Take these guys and load them up. Let this cook for a little bit. Oh yeah, well, we're waiting for our aluminum to melt down. We'll make our mold. To keep the sand from getting in all the little crevices of the cap gun there, we're just going to use a little bit of this cellophane, saran wrap. And we'll just put her in like this. And we can pack her down nice and tight. Just like that. Take this thing out for now. We just want to make a nice flat surface like that. We'll repack this in there to get a good definitive shape. That on there. Now let's do the top half. Can fill this guy up. There we go. Pack her down. Skim off the top, make her nice and flat. Now I do like to wear gloves working with this stuff because it's like a really oily sand and it's kind of hard to clean off. But let's split these molds apart and see what we got. That's a pretty good looking impression right there. That's going to turn out nice. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, she's pretty melted. This is all leftover stuff that's no good. Now that's not going to be enough. So we are going to add some more. We're going to have to put a hole in here so we got somewhere to pour. Just like that. You have to have a vent hole. There's our vent hole. We want to make sure that stays nice and clear. But for this side, you're going to want to open that up a little bit, make a little bit of a trough. Let's close up our mold here. Now we're just waiting for the aluminum to melt. And it is a good idea to clamp these down. Make sure that these two things stay together. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. We got enough. You always want to make sure you have more than enough aluminum. We'll just add a little bit of borax here for a little bit of flux. That'll bring all the impurities up to the top. Okay, now for the cool part. Let's just pour that right in there like that. Fill her out. That's a good pour. And then whatever you got left over, I like to just pour it into a cookie tin. Now that it's been a little bit, let's open her up and see what we got. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. That's looking pretty darn good to me. Let's see how she turned out. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what she's looking like. Now we're just going to bang her off and see what we got. Oh. There we go, folks. That's a pretty darn good cast if you ask me. We'll let this cool down and we'll clean her up. And just a little bit of polishing. Now we'll give her a little blast of black here. This was my last stick shift handle there. Let's see how this one turns out. Oh, that's going to look pretty good. Oh yeah, let's get her in. That's a cool upgrade to the Ranger. That looks pretty whipping there.